In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where your smart TV is not showing up to cast. So if you're trying to cast your screen from one of your devices over to your television, but your TV is just not showing up in this list of available displays, then there's a few things that you can do to solve this. So the first thing you need to do is make sure your television and your second device are both connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If you're using a laptop, make sure your laptop's connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your television. The same thing if you're trying to cast from a phone. Also, if you're using a VPN on any of your devices, then you'll need to go and disconnect that as well. Now, once you've ensured that both of your devices are connected to the same internet, then we're going to head over to our television remote control, and you need to bring up the settings window on your TV. Now, how I do this on my Philips TV here is I just press the home button located in the middle of my remote. Then from the home screen, I can use the up arrows to come over to settings, then just scroll all the way across to all settings. Now, it may look slightly different for you depending on your model of television, but once you're on the settings window, you need to scroll all the way down and come to update software. Click on search for updates and just ensure that your television is fully up to date. If there are any pending updates inside of here, then just go ahead and install those now. And once you've ensured that your television is fully up to date, you can also head over to your internet router, and I'd recommend trying to reset or reboot this. You can simply just turn it off from the wall for about 30 seconds and then power it back up. And then you'll need to give it a couple of minutes while the internet reconnects. And then once again, you can try reconnecting to your TV. Now, if you've tried all of these steps and that still hasn't solved anything, the last thing you can do is once again bring up the settings menu on your TV, and from the settings, just make sure you have screencasting enabled. Now, I know on some particular models of television, you need to go and actually manually activate the screencasting on your TV. Also, make sure you're on the correct mode on your television. So for example, on my TV here, I need to click on sources on my remote control. And then I need to come over to Mirrorcast, and I need to have this screen on the television like so in order for it to appear on my laptop. If I haven't selected this on my TV, then I won't have the cast option appear on my laptop. And once you finish all of these steps, that should have now fixed any casting issues you were having. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.